Everyday virtual education is more popular. Among teachers, it is already popular to go and recommend their students complementary strategies to their learning. An educational application on our cell phone allows us to be connected and updated on the topic that interests us. The M-learning or mobile learning is a new approach to learning through the internet that enables a more personalized and useful learning since it can be used anytime, anywhere. Applications for learning languages are currently the most downloaded. Many people dedicate part of their time to improve vocabulary, learn phrases, or practice pronunciation. These are the most popular and effective. Duolingo. It is offered as an application to learn and have fun. Not only does it offer English courses, it also includes French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Catalan, Esperanto, Guarani, and Russian. Through a point system, it becomes a method that as a game is challenging and addictive to level up. It is available for free on iOS, Android, and Windows phone systems. Weibo. The application teaches languages through video games. The developer team is comprised of educators, developers, and experienced creatives who create educational stories that support learning with interaction and commitment. Busuu offers complete language courses with short lessons and conversations with registered native speakers around the world. It allows you to learn even without an internet connection by downloading the lessons and using it in offline mode. Babbel. With real and practical dialogues in everyday life, the student receives lessons designed by expert linguists daily for 15 minutes. You can choose between beginner or advanced level. It costs approximately $10 per month. Hi Native. With a global format of questions and answers with natives from all over the world, you can make part of a free linguistic exchange from your cell phone. Designed for students who wish to correct their writing and pronunciation, are preparing certification exams, or seek to know other cultures of the world. ABBA English. Your method allows you to learn at the pace of the student, accompanied by native teachers with individual classes of 30 minutes, in which you choose the time and the topic to work.